If you're setting up your brand kit in Canva, adding your color palette is one of the first things you'll want to do. This is a paid Canva feature, so you'll need Canva Pro or another eligible paid plan to follow along. If you're not on Pro yet, you can start a 30-day free trial at brendacadman.com/pro and set up your brand kit in the account you already use. Before we get into the steps, a quick heads up. If you've already uploaded your logos to your brand kit, Canva may have automatically generated color palettes from those logo files. When you go to the colors section, you may see several palettes sitting there already. My recommendation is to delete those before you do anything else. The colors Canva extracts aren't always your exact brand hex codes, and if you've uploaded multiple logo variations, you may end up with multiple separate palettes rather than one clean, unified palette to work from. Remove each auto-generated palette, then start fresh. Once you've cleared those out, you may see a blank color palette ready to use, so you may not need to create a new one from scratch. Click the pencil icon next to the palette to give it a clear name, and then start adding your colors. To add a color, click the plus icon and enter your exact hex code in the color picker. This is important. Don't use the color picker to eyeball a color that looks close. Enter the precise hex code every time. That's what ensures your designs are using the exact same shade across every piece of content you create. Add your colors in the order you want them to appear in the palette, because depending on Canva's current interface, you may not be able to reorder them after the fact. If you need to remove a color, hover over it and click the X. Once your palette is set up, these colors will be available every time you open the color picker inside a design. No looking up hex codes, no second guessing, just your brand colors right there. If you want the full brand kit setup walkthrough, including fonts, brand voice, imagery, components, and chart colors, I've linked my complete Canva brand kit tutorial below.